Welcome to the Figma Bootcamp, your gateway to mastering UI UX design with real-world projects and advanced prototyping. This course is designed for those who are ready to elevate their design skills and build a professional portfolio with hands-on experience in 5 comprehensive projects. First up, you will dive into creating a food order mobile app where you will learn the essentials of crafting user-friendly layouts and building a seamless user experience for ordering meals. We will guide you through the process from sketching low-fidelity wireframes to crafting high-fidelity pixel-perfect designs. Plus, we will cover setting up a style guide and understanding system design, ensuring your project stands out with a polished, consistent look. Next, we will take on the Uber ride-sharing app, a must-have for modern designers aiming to create intuitive multi-step interfaces. You will start by outlining low-fidelity wireframes that map out user journeys, then move to high-fidelity designs that incorporate real-time interaction elements and sleek visuals. This project will challenge you to design ride-booking workflows that maintain user trust through simple navigation. For our third project, we step into the world of e-commerce with the Shoe Shop mobile app. Here, you will learn to design captivating product pages and smooth checkout experiences. You will start with low-fidelity sketches that capture the core structure, then transition to high-fidelity designs filled with engaging micro-interactions. By mastering design system and reusable components, your apps will be ready for scalable growth. Moving on, we present the Chat app mobile UI UX, where you will design dynamic messaging experiences. This project will refine your ability to create structured wireframes and enhance them into full interactive high-fidelity interfaces. You will design chat flows, notifications, and visual feedback elements that contribute to a seamless communication platform. Finally, we will cap off the course with the Music app mobile UI UX, where you will build out a streaming interface that's both functional and beautiful. You will begin with low-fidelity designs to brainstorm layout and navigation, then evolve this into high-fidelity prototypes that showcase advanced interactions and intuitive playback systems. With each project, we will go beyond just design. We will teach you how to set up professional style guides and design system to streamline your workflow and ensure consistency. Plus, our advanced prototyping lessons will empower you to bring your designs to life, letting you demonstrate realistic user interactions and test your apps before development. Whether you are aiming to advance in your career or start a new journey in UI UX design, this Figma Bootcamp will equip you with the tools, knowledge, and confidence to succeed. By the end of this course, you will have a versatile portfolio and a strong command of Figma that sets you apart from the competition. So, are you ready to transform your design skill? Let's get started.